Hello, rainbows. Welcome back. This is part 6 of the animals, and I have been sharing with you about the aardwolf, this amazing animal born in Africa. And he was protection from energy vampires. Hyena relatives carry strong parasite cleansing energy, but the aardwolf, who eats millions of termites, represents removal of toxic influences, emotional parasites, and hidden drains. It protects you by sensing danger before it arrives, withdrawing quietly from people with bad intentions, and alerting you through dreams, instinct, and discomfort in your gut. So listen to your body. It is a psychic sentinel. African folklore links the aardwolf with ancestors walking by night, spirits of the land, protectors of family homes, guides through the unknown. Not all shadows are dangerous. Some shadows protect you. The night guardian. Some tribes believed aardwolves follow travelers at night unseen, protecting them from spirits who stole breath. Hyenas with chaotic energy, and witches who flew low to the ground. The aardwolf was silent guardian, never coming too close but always watching. He's the moon's listener. Older legends say the aardwolf could hear the moon's voice. When the moon was full, they believed ancestors spoke through its light. The aardwolf heard them and carried messages to shamans in dreams. Thus, it became a bridge between human dreams and the lunar world. Whoa! You want to send a message to the moon? Call on the aardwolf spirit.